or drown in my gaze. Breathe with ease, no movement wasted. Step in the path of my jutsu, sacred. How speedy you dodge a shuriken means you can talk without speaking. No challenge, only start me when you learn ripples of a butterfly's heartbeat. Show me who bears resemblance to the Senju clan and its descendants. Your skills were meant for something like the 10th ninja war I am fronting. Sharingan with the Mangekyo opens a badass time jutsu. Darkest soul, my heart so cold. The half-mask has one hole. Because all I need is one eye. Am I kicking high? Even though I might die, they still call me Uchiha Madara. All I need is one eye. Am I kicking high? Even though I might die, they still call me Uchiha Madara. As they now fall in position, they consider me an S-rank mission. But worse than that, imagine my use of a blade of grass. Hunt so low, I blitz on the surface. I'm on a mission, fueled by a purpose. Suddenly something surprising. Death silhouettes on the horizon. Plunge a kunai into my own thigh. Lunge at the slow shinobi senpai. Limbs get flung, here is the drama. Split oxygen, I drag my katana. On my ace, I stand my ground. I buried them 6 fathoms down. Motion, swift as an eagle. On my worst day, I am still lethal. All I need is one eye. Am I kicking high? Even though I might die, they still call me Uchiha Madara.